Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to learn a language fast, step by step. First, establish clear, achievable goals for your language journey. For instance, aim to hold a 5-minute conversation within 1 month. Cultivate a growth mindset, viewing errors as learning opportunities rather than failures. Remember, consistent daily effort, even for just 15 minutes, yields far greater results than sporadic, intense study sessions. This foundational approach sets you up for rapid progress. Next, immerse yourself in the language every single day. Change your phone's language, listen to music, or watch shows with subtitles. Actively listen to native speakers, paying close attention to their intonation and rhythm, then try to mimic them. Reading engaging content, like short stories or articles, helps you naturally acquire new vocabulary and understand sentence structures. Even 10 to 20 minutes of daily immersion makes a significant difference. Crucially, start speaking from day one, even if it's just simple greetings or self-introductions. The goal is to activate your knowledge and build confidence. Seek out language exchange partners online or in your community for regular conversation practice. Even 2 or 3 sessions a week are beneficial. Do not fear making mistakes. They are an invaluable part of the learning process and provide immediate feedback for improvement. Embrace every opportunity to speak. Finally, maintain consistent review and celebrate your progress. Regularly revisit new vocabulary and grammar points to solidify them in your long-term memory. Employ spaced repetition systems, like flashcard apps, for efficient and effective retention, perhaps for 15 minutes daily. Acknowledge and celebrate every small victory, whether it's understanding a new phrase or holding a short conversation. This positive reinforcement fuels your motivation and ensures continuous growth on your language learning journey.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.